Hi everyone and welcome to your big mentorship. My name is Dr. Rashid and today I'm going to share with you how to use a very important software that I found out just recently. It's called Krisp. Now what is Krisp? Krisp is a software that is used to remove echo as well as background noise as you are conducting your podcast or you are conducting your meetings, in Zoom, in Microsoft Teams, and thereabout, maybe Skype call or something like that. So Krisp is the best software that you can use to eliminate the background noise, be it from your room, maybe you have an echo, or be it from the dog around your house that keeps barking while you are recording or you are having your meetings. You can eliminate all that with the help of Krisp. This actually concerns a lot of students and professionals who are conducting meetings here and there because now everything is back to virtual. This is the new norm. Everything is going online. So the house may not be so convenient because of the frequent noise that we receive from neighboring disturbances. Okay, so you can use Krisp as well. Actually, Krisp is the best software that you can use to eliminate any noise, and you can have a very, very comfortable meeting with your clients, with your students, with your bosses without any interference from the background. All right. So let me show you in a bit of what you can do with Krisp and how can Krisp help you. Okay, so let's get to my system. Okay, you just need to go to krisp.ai, right? So once you're here, you can just browse to get Krisp, either when you are using Mac or when you're using Windows. Anyone, they have the version. The only one that they don't have that I'm not sure up to now is the phone version. So you cannot put it on phone up to now. They've not upgraded it actually to phone version. So you can get for Windows or for Mac, as the case may be, right? So it will pop up that you have to sign up as a first user. So you could just put in your email address down here, and then you can just sign up just like that. All right. So let's say I put in my email. Okay. And then it will send some activation code to my email that I can check and just put back. So once you put in, it's going to give you, you have already signed up as a member. Now you can download the software according to your the system specifications. Okay, so for mine, let's say we're going for Windows, you can just download that like that, just like that, very easy. And you can install directly. Okay, download and install. I've already installed mine, so there's no need for me to reinstall again. Okay, so the whole process is you open the install and then you run the installer. It's a very easy click to move. Okay, you can run the installer directly and then you locate Krisp on your taskbar and get started. So Krisp actually makes it all go away. All, okay, makes it all go away. So from noise to echo, it will eliminate all of them for you. Okay, so let's just hear an example of what Krisp can do for you. So if you have a barking dog around your house, something like this. Okay, let's see, this is without Krisp.
If you can, try to show more of yourself. Push your camera back, push your computer back so you can show those hand gestures. Don't be afraid to just to get into a nice outfit if you must. It also feels a little bit more professional.
Yeah, this during one of your meetings. Now let's hear the same.
If you can, try to show more of yourself. Push your camera back, push your computer back so you can show those hand gestures. Don't be afraid to just to get into a nice outfit if you must. It also feels a little bit more professional.
So that's with Krisp and without Krisp. You can see the difference. So let's say you have a street noise or traffic noise around your house. Let's see this example.
As promised, I prepared a short report about our accomplishments for the previous quarter. So, here's the general overview of what we've achieved over the past few months. This was a team effort for all of us on the call. And the beginning of the year is usually a bit challenging, but I must say, we had a solid start and the results are quite promising. Our new strategy works even better than we expected.
Wait. Okay, so if you have a crying baby in your background also, you can eliminate that clearly, right? So no need to give series of warnings to your family to keep quiet. You can directly eliminate their noises, right? So let's see an example of that.
I was informed only yesterday that we should participate in a conference that's coming up next month. I've already shared my screen with you so you can see all the requirements in this document.
No noise.
Let's give priority to all these tasks as we have little time left to prepare.
And this is
Now, how about we discuss some ideas for our presentation and booth and then divide responsibilities?
all right. So it depends. You can have keyboard clicks as well, multiple keyboard clicks that can interrupt with your presentations or with your meeting. So let's have a look at this example.
All right, nice call, everyone. To summarize, we all agreed that we need to rewrite the contract. And with the banks, we'll take a step back and use our own capital instead to buy the remaining shares. So Linda, please get started on that and prepare the financial records as soon as possible so that we can send them to the shareholders tomorrow. We will have another call when the contract gets finalized. Thank you, guys. Talk to you soon.
So let's look at echo. How does it remove echo? So you have an acoustic echo in your house, and then look at how it sounds. It may sound, okay?
Good morning. I'm just calling to remind you that we have a meeting this coming Thursday at 10 a.m. in our office. Be sure to send me all the necessary files and the design materials prior to that. Also, if you remember, we didn't manage to finish your paperwork during your last visit. So please bring your documents with you and plan to arrive at least 15 minutes earlier so that we can set up everything before our meeting.
And lastly, let's look at room echo and how does it affect. Okay, this is
Sorry for the short notice and thanks for making time for this urgent call. I was informed only yesterday that we should participate in a conference that's coming up next month.
And with Krisp.
I've already shared my screen with you so you can see all the requirements in this document.
So Krisp actually is a very, very fantastic software that uses AI, artificial intelligence, to actually take in only your voice to the mic. Okay? It filtered everything out, from all those noises to the echoes, to the background, whatever comes is to be eliminated. So it gives you everything out. It makes it all go away. That's the slogan. Makes it all go away. All right, so this is a very nice software, like I said. You can get it for trial. You can give it for trial. You can give it for trial up to a week. Within 1 week, you have the time. You have the ability to use it for, I think, 238 minutes. Okay, which you can easily finish within 1 day or within some few hours if you are working. Okay. Okay. So this is my own pro version that I have the license up to 2022. So if you you get 2 months of a free subscription of Pro for every colleague who joins, for every colleague of yours, either from your workplace or from your school or from your normal friendship with people. Any of your friends that join with this email address, you're going to get 2 months Pro subscription from them, right? If the person that you invite has the same email address domain with you, for example, you work in the same company, you are going to be given 4 months of the free subscription. Okay, so you can always refer your friends using your referral link. I have mine here. Okay, so I've referred a lot of some of my friends, and I got the free Pro subscription up to 2022. So if you're interested, you can share with your friends to have more free subscription, because this software is quite fantastic and you will enjoy it. So for example, let's try to show an example of using Krisp on Zoom, for example. All right, so once you are in a Zoom platform, you can just start a new meeting. For example, this is just a normal meeting, okay, just a trial meeting. So you can just try a new meeting, right? And then once you are in, you can come to your audio settings, okay, the mic settings, and make sure you select Krisp as your mic, okay? Make sure you select Krisp as your mic. But then before you select Krisp as your mic, you should make sure that your mic is selected within Krisp in this tab. All right. So I'm using Rode MTB USB mic. You should be able to select that particular mic from here. If you're using whatever microphone, you should make sure you select it, and then you ensure that you select it at the particular platform that you're using. So in my own case, I'm using Zoom, for example, at this time. So I'm going to select Krisp because I've already set it to my Rode microphone. Okay, so I'm going to select Krisp as my microphone for this meeting, and all my noises will be eliminated from the beginning to the end of the meeting. All right, you can do the same for Microsoft Teams. For example, assuming I have my Microsoft Teams open and I want to use it, I want to use Krips on it. All I need to do is just to open it. Okay, come to these three dots and select settings. Okay, from settings, you can then just navigate to devices. You're going to select the audio mic or the microphone you're going to use. So in this case, I select Krisp microphone. Once I select Krisp microphone, everything is going to be controlled by Krisp. Make sure you select the particular mic you're using and the Krisp status bar. Okay, so that will ensure that you're using the right device and with Krisp. All right, guys, I hope you will apply the use of Krisp in your next presentation so that you can reap the benefit of eliminating noises and background echoes. Okay, if you've learned anything today, please feel free to share with your friends and make sure to hit the like and subscribe button to keep enjoying similar videos from my channel. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Bye.